correction. In this particular video, I'll be teaching you how to seal capillary tube with the aid of a Bunsen burner flame. So this morning I have a blood sample that I'm going to do a PCV on. So I'll fill the capillary tube with, remember, we have to fill it in such a way that it will be about 3/4 full, as in it will fill the capillary tube up to 3/4 of the capillary tube. So in order to seal this particular capillary tube, what I need to do is I'm going to ensure that the blood is not close to the end of the capillary tube. If it is close to it, the flame is going to burn the red blood cells, and then that will not give you correct result. So the proper thing to do is to ensure that the blood is far away from the end of the capillary tube. Then allow the end of the capillary tube to enter into the flame. Then I'll just be rolling it. As I'm rolling it, I can see that the bulb is forming. It's forming a bulb. And once that bulb is formed, I know that yes, the sealing has been done effectively. So all you need to do is just to clean the hand that is soiled with blood, and that is it. So that is what it. Just have a look at it. Looking at it now, you can see that this end is sealed. And in case you seal it and you notice that by the time you turn it this way, blood seems to be flowing down, that means it is not properly sealed. So you will need to seal it again. So that's just, I'll just do one more for you to see how it is done again before I end this video. So in case you don't know how to fill the capillary tube, you may want to watch the other video I made on demonstration of packed cell volume. So all you need to do is to move the blood away from the flame. You can see that there's a small space left here, but once you put it inside the flame, the next thing is you begin to see the formation of a bulb. And as I'm turning it, the bulb is uniformly distributed. Now that I've done that, you can see that the blood is not flowing backward, which means the capillary tube is well sealed. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching.